Hello, I'm Abby and I'm a tie-dye artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Japanese shibori tie-dye design. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need a cotton t-shirt, Tulip one-step tie-dye kit in Shibori, elastic bands, a wire rack, a sink or washing up bowl, cling film or plastic bag, latex gloves, washing machine. Dampen your chosen item in water and wring it out so it's just damp but not dripping wet. Lay your project out flat and pick it up from a point off-centre, allowing the rest of the fabric to drop downwards. Keeping hold of the piece, cover the shape with bands. The more you can cover, the better. Add bands tightly all the way down your project. It's important your bands are really tight. Put on your gloves. Pour the dye from the squeezy bottles onto your project, making sure all areas are covered. I'm going to cover around 1/3 of the project with a lighter colour and the rest with a darker shade. Cover your project in cling film or place in a plastic bag and put in a warm place overnight. Remove your project from the plastic and rinse under cold running water, removing the bands as you go. When the water runs clear, rinse your project in the washing machine at around 30 degrees and dry away from direct heat. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments.